Welcome to the Go.FathomVoice End User Dashboard tutorial. In this video, we will give you a demonstration of the Go.FathomVoice portal and all of the end user features. First, you will log in with the user account that has been provided to you. When logging in for the first time, you will be prompted with a welcome screen. On this welcome screen, you can confirm the spelling of your first and last name, enter your mobile number for use with the mobile routing function, confirm your email address, and then choose a password. When you're ready, click the Let's Do This button. You will be taken to the end user dashboard. This is the main page for all users on the Go.Fathom portal. To the left, you will see what is known as the buddy list. The buddy list allows you to see the other extensions on your account as well as whether they are currently on a call. To tell whether a user is currently on a call, look at their extension number. If the extension number is green, that means that that extension is available. If the extension number is red, that means that extension is currently on the phone. Underneath each individual user, you will see 3 blue buttons. These buttons allow you to call the user's mobile phone if it is programmed for their user account, their desk phone, or send a call directly to their voicemail. If you have more buddies than you can view, click the Edit button. This will allow you to pick the top 10 users to appear on your buddy list, and you can increase the amount of extra buddies shown. If you have a large amount of extensions on your account, you can increase this to see all of them. Up at the top, you will see an Incoming Calls bar. When a call comes directly to your extension, an orange bar will appear. This will display the caller ID information as well as the phone number that is calling you. The My Extension section allows you to see the current status of your extension as well as where your calls are currently being sent. Under My Status, you can change between available and unavailable. Your calls are currently being sent to allows you to pick between mobile, desk phone, voicemail, or the Find Me feature. Both the available and unavailable settings are independent and can be set individually. This allows you to move between 2 routing options fairly quickly. The Call History box allows you to see calls that have been made to and from your extension, when they were made, how long they lasted, and if you have call recording enabled, you can even listen to the calls by clicking the Listen button. The Call Parking section will allow you to see if any calls have been parked on your account. If they have been, you will be able to see what parking spot they are in, their caller ID information, as well as how long they have been in parking. My Directory does 2 things. First, you can use the search dial box to narrow down your contacts as well as dial directly out to a number. If you want to call a number using this feature, simply enter the 10-digit number you wish to call and then click the green phone button to complete the call. Your desk phone extension will begin ringing, and once you have answered, will start to ring out to the number you have called. You can add entries into My Directory by clicking the plus icon. Add the first name, last name, and the phone number. Finally, once you have entered all the information, click Add. Refresh the page to see the new entry, and just like the search dial box, you can now click the green phone icon to call this number. The My Voicemail section allows you to see all of the new and old voicemails that have been left on your extension. You will be able to see the number as well as the caller ID information if it is available. You'll also be able to see the time and date that the voicemail was left for you. If you would like to listen to the voicemail from the portal, click the green down arrow. This will open up a playback box. You can then mark the voicemail unread if you want to listen to it again later, or click delete. In the upper right corner of the end user dashboard, as well as anywhere else on the portal, you will be able to see a latency bar. A full connection indicates that you have a strong connection to the FathomVoice network and no voice quality issues should be present. The lower the bars, the worse the quality will be. Next, we'll check out the contacts page. The contacts page allows you to share contacts between the rest of your account. Any contact that is added on this page will be visible to all the other users within your account. To add a new contact, click the Add New button. You can also upload a CSV file if you prefer to do that. Enter the information about the contact. And then click Save. The End User Settings page allows you to see and manage the information for your user account and your extension. Under the Profile Settings section, you can modify your first and last name, change the password used to log in to Go.Fathom, upload an image to be displayed to people in your buddies list. You can see the extension that you are currently assigned to, and if you use the SMS feature, the default SMS number will be displayed here. Voicemail to email settings allows you to control how your voicemails to emails are managed. You can enter the email address where those voicemail to email notifications will be sent. You can also modify the 4-digit PIN used to access your voice mailbox from your phone. If you have a remote voicemail access number, it will be displayed here. And again, your voice mailbox number will be displayed here. Find Me settings allow you to manage how calls come to your extension. Find Me will allow your extension to ring you in multiple places, such as other extensions on the account and external numbers like a cell phone. You can view our Find Me settings video mentioned in the comments below for more information on using this. Under My Extension settings, you can set the mobile number that will be used if Under My Extension settings, you can set the mobile number that will be called when other users select to call your mobile option or when using the mobile routing option. Extension will display the extension number your account is currently assigned to, and the status available and unavailable options can be modified from here as well. When you've made your changes, click the Save button.